First of all, what we're going to do is just set up the machine. So I'm going to put the drill in. Just lock it with the chuck key. Next thing we want to do is adjust the height so that we're going to drill through the workpiece but not actually hit the bed. So we're just going to loosen the lock, wind the bed up so it's just above our workpiece, and then use the lock round here. Just to lock the bed in position. Okay, and now we just want to set the drill depth. So we are going to bring it down until it's all the way through the work. Set the depth lock, let it go, and then just check it to make sure it goes all the way through our workpiece and just into the packing piece underneath. Okay. Right, so now we've done that, what we now want to do is to clamp our workpiece in position. So we're going to add our packing piece so we don't damage our work. Use the G-clamp. Making sure that the G-clamp is all the way up to the edge and the G-clamp is located on the flat part underneath here so that it's solid. Okay, so nice and tight, and then if we just check that that's tight, check that the bed's tight, put the guard down, lock it with the pin, and we're ready to go.